Hey everyone, welcome to this video on the Bybit bonus. Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency trading platform that offers a variety of bonuses and promotions to its users. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about the Bybit bonus and how you can take advantage of it. But before we dive into it, I want to remind you that I have included my Bybit account registration link in the video's description and comments. If you use my link to sign up for a Bybit account, you'll be supporting the channel and getting access to some exclusive bonuses as well. So make sure you check it out. What is the Bybit bonus? The Bybit bonus is a promotional offer that gives users the opportunity to earn additional funds on top of their trading profits. Essentially, Bybit will match a percentage of your trading profits and add it to your account balance as a bonus. The bonus percentage varies depending on the promotion, but it can range from 10% all the way up to 100%. How to qualify for the Bybit bonus? To qualify for the Bybit bonus, you need to meet certain requirements. These requirements vary depending on the promotion, but some common requirements include signing up for a Bybit account using my link in the video's description and comments, depositing a minimum amount of cryptocurrency into your account, trading a certain volume of cryptocurrency on the platform within a specific time frame. Once you meet these requirements, you'll be eligible for the bonus. How to claim the Bybit bonus? To claim the Bybit bonus, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you've met all the requirements for the promotion. Then, go to the bonuses section of your Bybit account and click on the promotion you want to claim. Follow the instructions to claim the bonus, and it will be added to your account balance. Important considerations. While the Bybit bonus can be a great way to earn additional funds, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. First, make sure you read the terms and conditions of the promotion carefully so you know exactly what you need to do to qualify for the bonus. Also, keep in mind that there may be restrictions on how you can use the bonus funds. For example, you may not be able to withdraw the funds immediately, or you may only be able to use them for trading on the Bybit platform. Conclusion. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know about the Bybit bonus. Remember to use my account registration link in the video's description and comments to sign up for a Bybit account and take advantage of the exclusive bonuses. Once you've signed up, meet the requirements for the promotion, and follow the instructions to claim the bonus. With a bit of luck and some good trading, you can earn additional funds and make the most of your Bybit account. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.